Girl, get up. Like, literally, get up. It's time that we take full control over our bodies. As women, our bodies go through so many different phases, especially like when our cycle is approaching. Impulsive thought. But yeah, I got something to share with you guys. Are you ready? It's something on my finger. This is a Femometer ring. And y'all, it looks so sleek and so classy. Let me tell you all about it. It is more than a ring in a box. It is a health expert on your finger. Anyone is going to know everything about you is going to be this ring. And let me just tell you, I said I do. So if you want to know more about your body, here's what makes it so special. Let's dive a little bit deeper so we can have a better understanding of what it does. So, as I was mentioning, it gives you a cycle mood interpretation, and I've been wearing this ring for 3 days and I've been tracking how I've been feeling. You guys know that my mental health may not always be the best, so this helps keep track of how I'm feeling. And lately, I've been like a little regular, a little bit more on the calm side. It even gives you a prediction of how you're going to feel in the future days, and it provides you with some tips and like some ideas to help you remain in that calm state, because sometimes our body can get overstressed for no reason. Next, it tells you all about your active energy, your heart rate. Matter of fact, let's track our heart rate right now. So our average heart rate right now ranges between 60 to 171 beats per minute, which I love. Like, it'll track your heart rate right there in the moment. It tracks your steps. As you guys can see, I already completed like 3,700 steps, and it also tracks your body's temperature, which I love. My favorite part is the sleep cycle interpretation. I will admit my sleeping has not been the best, but with this and using it for 3 days, I've been trying to improve my sleep quality. So it tells you exactly how many hours of sleep you've gotten, what heart rate you've had, and also your body temperature. It gives you a breakdown of how much light sleep you've been in, how much deep sleep you've been in, and how much REM sleep you've gotten. And it gives you a breakdown and more understanding of each little section that your sleep you're in. So I love that. So if you're unaware of your sleep cycle and you're interested in this ring, make sure you guys go ahead and give it a try. Okay, and it gives you a breakdown of your temperature and how it fluctuates. Another thing that I love, this is also going to help with tracking your cycle. It has different courses, like, if you have any questions in regards to your body, like as far as like your cycle phase, sex, things to know about your cycle, or any concerns that you have in regards to your health. Obviously, this is not a doctor, so it is advised that you go ahead and speak to a physician if you have any serious questions, but this can help you along the way. Now, I am in my follicular phase of my cycle, so I was like, you know what? We're going to eat foods today that partake in whatever phase I'm in. So, welcome to a what I eat in a day during my follicular phase and trying to regulate my body. But before I head on over to the next slide, super big shout out to Femometer for sending me this ring and for it helping me along the way understand my body, understand my cycle, and also regulate my nervous system.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, but we speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch?
Okay guys, we're switching over to regular voice instead of voiceover. We had our breakfast before our workout. As you guys seen, it was just a blueberry oatmeal, like vanilla oatmeal. Really, really good. I'm in high spirits today. I also chose to have oatmeal for breakfast because we're going to get ready to go to the gym right now. We're going to move our body, and since I'm so full of energy, we're going to do a lower body workout today.
Yeah, I'm the one that got the scene banging. And I go hard, that's why they keep talking. 3 years and I'm only just getting started. One song and I got the people excited. It's the whole town. It's the whole town, are you ready? Ready cause I'm going steady. Everybody want to lie, they want to fight, they want to get me. Kill me, they won't kill me. Tell me why they won't try me when they really don't know me. Hey, hey, I'm on my tunnel vision. I beat their allegation. I'm moving on a mission. I don't need super.
I came back from my workout, I showered, I got ready, couldn't get ready to step out, and I made my second meal, which is just some shrimp and broccoli that I made in a pan. Today is actually Good Friday, so being that my mom is Catholic growing up, we don't eat poultry on Good Friday. We eat like seafood, so that's why I have shrimp today. And for dinner, I have no idea what I'm gonna eat. I wouldn't be surprised if it's shrimp again. Cheers. Alright guys, it's 8:36 p.m. back from running errands. Literally the errands was just buying some chicken so I can have some chicken tomorrow, and just driving around looking at stuff that I have no business looking at, because we're not gonna do that. The audacity. What I'm about to have right now is a protein shake. Typically when I do my protein shakes, I always use egg whites. I should have grabbed me some egg whites, but I didn't. I'm not going back out because it's ghetto. So we're just going to use vanilla Greek yogurt as our protein, and I'm going to show you guys the Greek yogurt that I'm using. Just the Publix brand. Typically I like to use Chobani's or Oikos, but I have this Publix one. As you guys can see, it's the Greek non-fat yogurt, vanilla flavored, and one serving, which is 170 grams, is 14 grams of protein. Now, I don't have a scale anymore. I have to get a new scale, so we're just going to be measuring it out by eye. Protein shake. Cheers. You know what? I'm not really a big fan of banana like that, but today a banana in here would have like topped it off. I don't know. A banana blueberry protein shake. I said it in my previous video and I said it again. You don't necessarily need protein powder to reach your protein goal. You can definitely get it from like yogurt or egg whites or probably something else, but I've never dibbled and dabbled into that, so I wouldn't have any advice for you in that aspect. But when it comes to protein and it's yogurt, Greek yogurt and egg whites, I got you, girl. I could hook you up real quick, real easy. This right here is good. And I added some oatmeal in there to fill me up a little bit, since my second meal wasn't really that big after my workout. So I'm adding it in here. the last meal of the day. I don't even know if y'all can see because I can't even see. But it's just tuna. Am I blind? I had some leftover shrimp and broccoli. And I just got me like 2 cans of tuna. And I added light mayonnaise, a little bit of Cajun seasoning. Whisk that all up. I don't even know how to say. Okay, good. If you never had tuna and rice, don't knock it till you try it. Tuna and rice is so good. I just wanted to use those last 5, 6 little shrimps I had. But growing up, back at home, called it a struggle meal. Tuna and rice was busting. I had put some coworkers on to tuna and rice at work. Tuna rice is fire. 2 cans of tuna, y'all, is 44 grams of protein. Plus however many grams is in those 5 shrimp. Probably like maybe 8. Season your tuna to your liking. If you want, get some lettuce put on the bottom. Then put you some rice on top. Then the tuna, oh my god. But I feel good, y'all. I feel good. I feel inspired. I feel determined to finish this vlog for you guys. It's so much.